1. Capture every moment.
Probably don't, since you're underground.
What?
2. People change, but that doesn't mean you have to change with them. 3. Time flies.
We're in the Jeep and it's raining! Yeah, it worked.
4. Honor the aux cord. 5. As crazy as it sounds, enjoy high school. 6. Don't trust as easily. 7. People will continue to judge you no matter what you do. Don't take it too personally. 8. Honesty is key. 9. The happy birthday song never gets less awkward. 10. Travel as much as you can.
I know.
11. If you like it, wear it. 12. Dream big. Really big. 13. Check in on friends.
Billy Rabbit.
14. Saving money is hard.
Hello. I'm with Ava.
15. Watching a romantic comedy helps. 16. Just drive, even if you don't know where you're going. 17. Internet friendships continue to be hard.
Maggie. Lauren Haregi.